Breads as ingredients has become an integral part of Indian households in today's busy life. This recipe especially calls for our attention when we need to do something really quick, tasty, interesting, and that too we can use the stuffing if we have some leftover sabji or curries in our fridge. Hi everyone, this is Subhankari and I welcome you all to my kitchen, Sue's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to make these yummy bread rolls. Here I have taken white bread slices 4 to 6, depends upon how much rolls you want to make. Boiled potato, I have taken here 2 medium. I'll grate them with the help of a grater. Apart from that, I have taken here green peas and corn, both 1 tablespoon. You can alter the amount of veggies as you wish. Onions I have taken here 1 medium. Carrots I have taken grated carrot half cup. It would be 1 small carrot. Chopped coriander leaves 1 tablespoon. Apart from that, I have taken here ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Some spices like turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon. Black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon. Half a lemon. Green chilies, chopped green chilies 2 I have taken. And chopped cashews I have taken here 1 teaspoon. You can also add some nuts if you want. Salt as per our taste, and oil we'll add for making the masala and for shallow frying. So these are the basic ingredients. You can add or alter the veggies. You can use leftover sabjis from your fridge if you have. So for making the stuffing, I have heated a pan in medium flame, and when the pan is heated, I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. I have used olive oil. To it, I have added green chilies first, chopped green chilies. Let the green chilies splutter for around 10 seconds. Then I'll add chopped onions. Just mix the onions, we don't need to brown them. It will take around 20 to 30 seconds on medium flame. When the onions are semi-done, add the ginger garlic paste. Roast them for few seconds so that the raw smell vanishes. After the ginger garlic has been roasted, add the dry spices, only 3 dry spices: turmeric powder, red chili powder and garam masala powder. As I said, this recipe is done with basic masalas, so I have added very little spices. My masalas are done, they are roasted. See how beautifully they have roasted. I have used minimum oil. To this we'll add the vegetables. I have added carrots, corns, peas. You can also add cauliflower, grated cauliflower here. Mix them well and cook them on medium flame for around 1 minute or till the veggies soften a bit. We don't need them fully softened because we'll again cook them in rolls. After 1 minute, add mashed potatoes. You can also grate the potatoes. And after adding potatoes, add salt. I have added here 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients to form a nice mixture and roast them for around 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, add chopped cashew nuts, black pepper powder and chopped coriander. Give it a nice mix and fry them for around 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. After 1 to 2 minutes, our stuffing is ready. The best part of this item is that either you can prepare this stuffing freshly, or if you have some leftover sabjis, curries, you can just dry roast them and the stuffing would be ready. I have taken here 5 to 6 bread slices. I have cut the sides. Now we'll dip the bread slice into water just for a second, or you can put some water on the bread slices and squish off the excess water. Make sure you squish the bread slice completely or else it will absorb oil while deep frying. Now place the cylindrical shape stuffing and wrap the bread, making sure to pinch the edges and roll them in between your hands in this way. The bread, as it is moist, will be quite flexible to hold and roll. Our bread rolls are ready. In the same way, we'll prepare other rolls. Put the stuffing in between and wrap the bread, making sure you make a cylindrical shape with your hands. With the help of both hands, try to make the cylindrical shape. It will roll out very easily. As the bread will be moist, you can handle it very easily. In this way, prepare all the bread rolls. I have prepared here 6 bread rolls from 6 slices of bread. You can prepare according to your choice. Now let's start the next process of frying them. I have not deep fried them. I am adding enough oil just to shallow fry them, and make sure the oil is really hot, because if the oil is not hot, the bread rolls will not be crispy and they will absorb more oil and become soggy. So make sure while frying this bread rolls, the oil is really heated, is good enough and is really hot. Once you add the bread rolls to hot oil, cook them on both sides by flipping them occasionally on medium to high flame till they turn golden brown. It will just take around 2 minutes. Once the bread are done, take them out and put them in a tissue paper or kitchen roll so that the excess fat can be drained out. You can also bake these bread rolls. See, my bread rolls are done. I have fried them in batches. You can see as I had added the bread rolls when the oil was really hot, so they have not absorbed that much oil. My amount of oil in the pan indicates that the bread rolls have just absorbed the amount of oil that needed to be cooked. If the oil temperature would not have been maintained, the bread rolls would have absorbed all the oil. So make sure you add these rolls in very hot oil. I have served these yummy bread rolls with ketchup. You can also add some mayo. If you like my video, please press the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And please press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.